How are we doing, everybody? It's Mr. Cognetti from Citizenship Academy, and today we're going to continue talking about money. Okay, so we're going to be doing lesson number 20. Actually, this might be 21. This is 21, correct. Sorry, I forgot to change this. So we were on lesson 21 of module 6, and we're going to continue with our coins. So if you guys have access to coins, like dimes, pennies, nickels, even quarters, if you have access to those, that'd be great to have in front of you while we're doing this. Okay, it's awesome to look at the real thing when we have it. Okay, if you're in my classroom, we'd be counting actual coins. I have pictures of the actual coins up here so we can see them. But like I said, if you have access to them at your house, ask your parents if you can borrow them for a little bit, and then yes, use those to help us count. Okay, but I want to start off. If you have coins in front of you, I want you to find a dime. Okay, and if you don't have a dime, I want you to look up on my board and look at which one is the dime. Okay, I want you to think, how much is that dime worth? Okay, I'm quizzing you. Let's see if you're right. Our dime is up here. This is what our dime looks like. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger so we can look at it. This is our dime, and it is worth 10 cents. All right, can we say that? 10 cents. Our dime is the smallest coin, but it is worth 10. It is not the smallest amount. And now if you have coins in front of you, I want you to put your finger on a nickel or pick up a nickel. If you don't have coins, look up on my board and think which one is the nickel. Ready? Our nickel is right here. Our nickel is another silver coin, and it is worth 5 cents. Can we say that with me? Ready? 5 cents. So our nickel is bigger than the dime and the penny, and is worth 5 cents. So that brings us to our last one that we've already learned. Which one's the penny? Our penny is this copper-looking brownish one right here, and this is only worth 1 cent. So this is the least valuable coin. It is worth the least amount of money at 1 cent. Okay. 1 second. Okay, today we're going to learn about this one. This big one right here. I'm going to make it bigger just so we can see it. But this is the coin we have to learn about now. Okay? This is the only other coin we haven't learned about. And this is called the quarter. Can everyone say quarter with me? Ready? 1, 2, 3, quarter. This is called a quarter because it is a quarter of a dollar. All right, well, you guys haven't learned fractions yet, though, so do not worry about that. This is worth 25 cents. I'm going to write quarter over here. It is worth 25 cents. So is this the most valuable coin? Yes, it is. Our quarter is the most valuable coin. It is also our biggest coin. So, using size to help with worth will only help when we're looking at which is worth the most. So our biggest is worth the most. However, our smallest coin is not worth the least. So that's not the best way to remember. But our biggest coin is our quarter, and it is worth 25 cents. So we could use a lot of these coins to add up to a quarter. All right, and just like every other coin, a quarter has a heads to it, and it's got a tails side. However, the tails side for a quarter changes a lot. They come out with new designs, it seems, pretty much each year. People like to collect them, so that the back of those coins tend to look different. You'll see a lot of different styles. The regular backside to a quarter, it has, I believe, an eagle on it. Its wings out. But like I said, you see a lot of different those. So, if I have a quarter that is 25 cents, how many pennies would I need to... How many pennies would I need to use to make 1 quarter? If a quarter is 25 cents, how many pennies would I need to use to make 1 quarter? Well, if a penny is 1 cent and I need 25 cents, I would need 25 pennies. So 25 pennies is the same as 1 quarter. Okay, so if I were to draw all that out, give me a second, I'm going to do it real quick. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Boom, all those pennies equals 1 quarter. So if someone needs 25 cents, do you think it'd be easier to give them 25 pennies or 1 quarter? It'd be easier to give you 1 quarter. Well, let's look at my 25 cents. How many groups of 10 do you see? You see 2 groups of 10, right? We have 1 group of 10 right here, another group of 10 right here. So we have 2 groups of 10. How many ones do you see? How many ones do we see? I mean total, not including the group of 10. How many total ones do we see? Yeah, correct. We see 25 because there are 25 cents. So, 25 cents with just pennies. But now we have, let's look back, when we circled our 2 groups of 10, how many extra ones do we have? 5, so we have 5 extra ones over here. We have 2 groups of 10. What's another way we could make 25 cents, but not just with 1 quarter and not with 25 pennies? What other coins could we use? Well, I don't know. Let's see. I drew 25 out here. I'm just going to start, let's see. Here's a 10. Well, which coin was worth a 10? Oh, my dime was. Well, this is a dime. So I'm going to put my dime right there. And then I have another group of 10 right here. Oh, I could put another dime right there. Let's see. Let's throw another dime over here. I'm trying to make 25 cents. Trying to make it. We got dime and no. Dime, and then 5 cents. Do I have a coin that's worth 5 cents? Yes, I do. My nickel is worth 5 cents. So this is another way I could make 25. I could do it with 2 dimes, 10, 20, and a nickel. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay. Can I make 25 another way? Can I make 25 another way? Where'd my nickel go? There we go. Well, let me draw this out again. I shouldn't have erased all that actually. But I want you to pay attention to how many groups of 5 do I have this time? Because our choices are we can make 25. We can't make 25 with a group of 3. We don't have a coin that's worth 3, right? We can't make 25 with a group of 4 because we don't have a coin that's worth 4. We can make 25 with groups of 1, groups of 10, groups of 5. So how many groups of 5 we have? Well, let's count. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 5 groups of 5 that make 25. So, well, if this is 5, well, I could have a nickel here, and a nickel here, and a nickel here. So let's see, it'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 nickels. So 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 5 equals 25. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 25. Those are all nickels. If we have 5 nickels, that makes 25 cents. So there are multiple ways we can get to the same number. So if someone were ever to say, well, hey, do you have 25 cents? And you go, no, I don't have a quarter. I only have some dimes and nickels and pennies. You might still have 25 cents. We don't only make 25 cents with a quarter. We can make it with 5 nickels, We can make it with 2 dimes and a nickel. It's just finding different ways to add up to 25. Let's look at the easy one. Let's look at 10 cents. 10 cents. What coin would we use if we wanted 10 cents? If we wanted 10 cents, we would just use 1 dime because a dime is worth 10 cents. So here's our dime. Make it a little smaller since it is small. So here's our 10 cents. I'm going to draw out 10. Okay, so 1 dime equals 10 cents. However, what if I wanted to make it out of pennies? How many pennies would I need? Well, pennies are worth 1 cent. So 1, 2, 3, 1 cent, 2 cent, 3 cent, 4 cent, 5 cent, all the way up to 10. We need 10 pennies. Okay, nickels. That's a group of 5. Do I have groups of 5 here? I have a group of 5 here, and I have a group of 5 here. So I would need, well, let's see, that'd be 1 nickel, and then this one would be for the second nickel. So 5, 10. I can make 10 cents out of 2 nickels. So I can make 10 cents out of, let's see, I'm going to show all the different ways of making 10 cents. 10 cents. We got with a dime. We can also make 10 cents with 2 nickels we know now. Okay. How about, what if, can I make 10 cents with only 1 nickel? Not with just the 1 nickel. I'll need some more. But say I have 1 nickel. Let me grab another one. Hold on. Give me a second. So here's 1 nickel for the 5, but I still have 5 ones left over. I could throw another nickel up there, but we've already done that. What if I add 5 more pennies? Let me do that quick. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we got 5 pennies. Let me get them a little smaller. Drawing a picture will help us, just like it always does, with figuring things out with what coins I can use. So I have my nickel that I threw up on all 5 of those, but now I have 5 left. Well, one of those is worth 5 of those, but only 1 penny is worth one of these. So I could say, here's a penny. Here's another penny, right? Here's another penny. We can cover up all these. So I could make 10 cents with 1 nickel and 5 pennies. Oops. I could make 10 with 1 nickel and 5 pennies. So it'd be 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So 5 and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are many different ways that we can make the same number. Same with counting and same with change. All right, we're going to keep focusing on that. Remember, the coin we learned today is our quarter. Does anyone remember how much our quarter is worth? Our quarter is worth 25 cents. Okay? And it would say that on the back side of this coin. It would say that if you had a coin in front of you and you ever forget how much it is, you can look at it right on there. All right? So our quarter is 25 cents. Our nickel is 5 cents. Our dime is 10 cents. And our penny is 1 cent. All right? Great job with this. Good luck with your homework. You guys are going to continue working with coins and adding them up. Make sure you are adding up the correct amounts. These coins can get confusing, so make sure you look at them and study them so you know which one is which, okay? Awesome. Great job. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Keep it up. I hope you have a great rest of the day. Bye, everybody.